This time on Road and Race, I build my dream car garage. In the previous video, I went through the groundworks and pouring of the garage base. In this video, we build the garage, fit the insulation, plasterboard, paint, and then finally apply the floor finish.
So here we are, end of day one. They've got the size of the building up. We're missing a bit of ceiling. This side's all done now. Well, here's all the insulation I need to put in. Here we are, kind of halfway through day 4. So we've got most of the insulation in the garage now. Still some more bits to do. And we've had the first fix of the electrics. So that's where the main fuse board is going to go. And then double sockets along there where the workbench will be. Some more double sockets along the back wall. Connection for my heater. And then along this wall, more double sockets, connection for the lift, connection for a car charger if I need it in the future, and then there's another double socket behind that piece of plasterboard. So we're getting there. This really huge cable here is a 50 amp cable, and that's if I want to put a welder socket in at a later stage. To get to the top, to plasterboard, for the higher, this massive tower. So here's the garage all plasterboarded up. Took a few days to do, but you know, it's done now. I put some protective sheeting on the floor just to help protect from the plaster as we're getting the wall skimmed tomorrow.
next time on Road and Race. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. The car lift gets fitted. So exciting.